So I've already shown you how to fold your jacket if you're traveling and packing it in your suitcase, but what about when you arrive at your destination and your now squashed jacket needs a little bit of fluffing up and decreasing? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly what you do when you arrive at your hotel or accommodation. First thing is, you'll probably have a wooden coat hanger. Now, these are great for shirts, but not great for jackets because they don't support the shoulder very well. So what you're going to do is create your own shoulder supports. Now, this is a lot more straightforward than it may seem. I've already put some in this jacket, and basically all it is, sometimes your dry cleaner might put something like this in your suit jacket to preserve its shape. But all you're going to do is get the handiest piece of cardboard you can find and make basically a triangle with slightly curved edges. And that is probably 5 inches by 4 inches. I find the flap of an Amazon box is just perfect. So all you do is create that, and then something similar on that side. Use that as a template. It doesn't have to be precise. As long as it's roughly that shape, then it's going to do the job just fine. What we then do is mold these into a shoulder pad shape. And when you put your jacket on the hanger, as you can see, there's no structure, no support in that shoulder pad. You take your DIY shoulder structure supporter and you insert it into the shoulder like that. And it gives you a nice rounded shoulder for your jacket. What it also does, and this is important for the steaming process, what it also does is it separates the front and the back of the jacket, and it gives you a void. So once we have the jacket hanging up with the shoulders supported, we need some steam. Now, any hotel worth its salt will have a steam iron, at least if not in your room, available from reception. So grab the steam iron. If you don't have even a steam iron, then a kettle will work. But let's say you have a steam iron, turn it on, plug it in, fill it with water, and get it up to full temperature. And here's one I prepared earlier. Get the steam going and start from the shoulders and just get the continuous stream of steam going. And all we're going to do is go all over the jacket. You'll find if you pull down on the bottom edge of the jacket as you're steaming it, that will help to pull out the creases. I've fastened up the top button to give it its shape as it's steaming. But as you can see, it's doing a great job of removing the wrinkles. Pull down on the sleeve cuff to straighten the sleeve, and just steam the sleeve all the way down. And obviously, because it's pure steam, you're not only removing the creases and wrinkles, you're removing any odours and sweat smells as well from the jacket. Any lingering cologne that might be trapped in the jacket should also be released by this process. So, as you can hopefully see, that's a nicely steamed and crease-free jacket with a nicely rounded shoulder. And we can just hang that up again to air for a little while, and it's good to go. So if you like this sort of thing, subscribe to the channel and you'll get more of this kind of content. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask and I'll do my best to answer them all. And if you have any suggestions for things that you'd like to see in the future, in future videos, please let me know. Anyway, until next time, take care. I'll see you very soon.